trees. You can leave your worries. Listen to the way they say you wanna get.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a chit chat and talk to y'all, and I'm going to do a makeup look too. Use this that I used before. If you're new, it's your first time seeing my channel. My name is Tiffany. Subscribe and press the bell notification so you don't miss out none of my videos. So it's gonna probably be a full face looking face too, but I won't make my videos try to make it too long if I do. And if I do, I might have to cut out the part of the video, and y'all will know. So yeah, let me show y'all. I'm gonna use this one right here, like the black one with that. Talk to y'all about because why I haven't make a video doing Monday. It's because I was so wore out during that day, doing from last week when I made 3 videos. I didn't have no strength in me, and I was so tired and stuff. So that's probably why I didn't make no video. That, so y'all know. Well, it's kind of like a on there. It's like a little black smoky eye. I might just do a smoky eye with, might try a little pink in it. Try to get it in there. Same is that because I didn't never make videos like 3 videos out of a week in the same 1 week. So next time I'm just going to probably just try to make 1 video or 2 videos out of a week in 1 week, because I think if I make 3, they will make me so tired and wear out, and I would not make a video because I would need some days off from making videos if I do like that. So I want to let y'all know that, because I like making videos, and I do. It's just I want to let y'all know that I thought about doing it, but now I'm not gonna do 3 videos in 1 week all the time, in different days. So I'm not gonna do it no more. I'm going to kind of probably try with this and with that. These 2 pink, kind of like pink. Put a black one in this because I think I need to kind of fix it to make it more. Also, doing next month, I am going to like do a Halloween makeup look. I got some ideas that I want to do, like a vampire teeth. But I don't got the stuff that I needed to get to make teeth. I have to get like the dentist stuff that you use for old people using when they lose their tooth, the whole tooth. I need to do that so I can do that. So I think if I do that, it won't able to work to do that. I don't want that much. And I'll probably put a little glitter and try that out. And after this, I'm going to do the other eye like that. But I just want to show it to y'all. And so y'all see how I did it, because I don't want to make this part of. I'm going to use this one. So I'm just doing like this to kind of be in it, to get it really good with the glitter to go around in the corners, and to try to get it on here. Okay, I decided to just kind of show y'all again on this same eye. You can use that. It's like a brown looking. Oh shit, I messed that up. But let me get the black to fix it. I'm trying to do like what I did early on this. Sorry, I'm just let that song. Okay, I'm gonna fix this part like I did with the other one. I didn't do that on the other side. I kind of did because I'm right-handed, so it's gonna be kind of hard for trying to do like I did on the other side. Trying to get that so it don't be looking so like that. Missing you and now to know things started. So I was saying that the ones who stay and watch my videos, I want to thank y'all. And just to support if I'm not on my videos making videos, it's because I'm sick. I'm tired because I was sick from other day, so that too, because I was sick so really bad I couldn't make no videos. I think the day that I did a reaction video, I was so really sick. I don't think I told y'all that. And because of this weather changing, and it makes you feel really sick of that, so that's why. And I was drained from making other videos, and that's probably what it is, come from being sick of that. So that's why I want to let y'all know. Blend the black on it again. Yeah, I might have to put a little more pink on this. Let me go and do that and put a little more pink on that. And after that, come back and I'm gonna do the face figure. And so, yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I'm back, y'all. So I'm gonna kind of do my eyebrows. I hope I get this good like I do. So I'm gonna put this on my eyebrows first. Okay, the eyebrow for the brush. And this I'm gonna use this like my eyeliner, but I'm gonna use it to kind of get it as an eyebrow. So I'm just going to do like this. Oh shoot! Kind of mess that up. Brush I really use for my eyelashes. It's a little thick, so I'm trying not to make it too thick. Okay, now put this on my face. Okay, I'm back. I just forgot to put the foundation on my face. I don't know why I did that for. I did that before. Hope that. I'm gonna show you the wing and hope I come out really good. Hope so. Cause I'm not that good with wings. This is the liquid kind that I have. So this look, you can do something with this look, like going out or something. And I kind of like this look that I did. Seems like I did this look before, because I think I did. It seems like I probably did do this before. I don't know if I... It's not like that one. No. I didn't do that right. Because I'm right-handed. I can't do it right. Putting it on my lips. I just decided not to put that on my lips. Nothing on my lips. I just decided to do this like this. So, but yeah. So I hope y'all like this video. Just like and comment, and just tell me what you think of this look. Just let me know. So yeah, not gonna be making videos on Saturday. I'm just going to make it on Thursday. I was gonna make one on Monday. I don't know, because I might probably not, but if I do, I will let you know on Twitter and Instagram too, because y'all probably should. That's why just follow me on Twitter so I can get y'all updates when I'm not making videos to let y'all know. So yeah, but yeah, I got it out, and peace.